Okay. So today NASA is supposed to be lifting up their helicopter. I still call it a drone, but they're supposed to be lifting up their helicopter today on Mars. So that's the reason why I got my NASA shirt on, because you know they do rocket science in Alabama. They really do. So here's the thing. This is a quadcopter. It's completely illegal because it is not registered. It's a weird thing behind it because I ordered it years ago. Immediately after I ordered it, Amazon turned around and said, it's going to be a delay on it, and then it showed up on time. And then after it showed up on time, they turned around and said, hey, we made a mistake. It's missing a part, the landing gear or something like that. Whatever the case is, we want you to basically forget about it. They gave me my $50 back. They said you can keep what showed up, but take in mind that it is missing a part. And you feel like it, you can order another. Now this is the time when all the drones were starting to miniaturize and get better chips and all the other stuff. And me, I personally didn't care. I bought it out of impulse and I never really opened it up until now. When I say open it up, I never really opened it up and really took a look to see what was in it. So this, like Michael Jackson, this is it. Now, I've had this for years. And unfortunately, what has happened is I have lost. I actually lost the, what do you call that thing? The battery? Charger. I lost the battery charger. So I had to go and get another battery charger. And that's the reason why you see this weird contraption here, which comes with a bunch of batteries and an actual charger. So let's do this here. Now for the people that are not into the game that I play, you can stop right now. Maybe, I don't know. We'll figure this out. The reason I'm doing this is because remember I was talking about scale technology and how the video game that we play, which is Tom Clancy's Elite Squad, that whole thing is about these guys using technology. And nearly all of these guys in the game that we're playing right now, the Wolves, nearly all of those guys will have some type of drone. How do you get this in there? Oh, I think this is how you get in there. Don't necessarily. Okay, so that is functional. That is functional. All right, so we have something that is powered. So I'm gonna put this right here. And I need batteries. Really? Gosh darn it. Okay. Ugh. I don't know how I'm going to control myself. This is a new drink to me. It is from Califia. It's a California drink. It's a ginger limeade. Wow. Wow. It's got ginger, it's got lime, and it's got some bite to it. Oh my God. Non-alcoholic, just a good drink. Everything comes with screws nowadays. There we go. I do not have dedicated batteries for this here, so I'm using the batteries that I normally use on my Xbox. Now, the great thing is this should work. The downside is going to be that I gotta charge these things when I'm done. Okay, so we got this. This is the radio control here. We got this here. It does have a camera, but I don't have the thing put in there, the chip put in there right now. I don't care. Now, why are we doing this here? Oh! So, as you can clearly see, I have no idea what I'm doing. It just flew up and over yonder. So I gotta go get that. But what's the point of me doing this here? Nope, not going anywhere. What's the point of me doing this here? It's very simple. Just like I don't know how to fly this thing here, we don't know exactly how these guys are going to play, the new Wolves.